So this is how I replace my gas struts for my skylight on my Bailey Ranger. So first off, you've got to remove this here, pop it off this way, and then you'll be able to pull the pins out. I've propped it up with a bit of wood. The best way I've found of getting these off is getting a little stick, bit of glue. I've already put glue on the stick. Leave it on there. Get it quick as straight. That should come straight out. But just to show you how easy it is to get it off. Next off, got to remove these 2 pins. So first of all, I've got this bit of thing. Pull the pin out. That's one. I've got a little screwdriver to remove this now. That just pops off. I'll push the pin through. Pull the pin out. That's one strut out. Do the same to the other side if it needs replacing. Then reverse to go back and put it back together.